Today I'm going to show you how to change your job preferences on Glassdoor. So what we'll do on the top right hand side is click on this icon. Here we'll see job preferences. You want to click on job preferences, and here you want to change a bunch of different things. So desired job title, each one of these that you click on, you can add in a desired job title. So let's just say video editor, click on add, click on save, desired work location. So if you are willing to relocate, type in relocate, and then type in your location. Here we go. It'll come up. Add that. Click on save. Minimum desired salary. Go ahead. Add it in. Change your currency. And then your pay period. So click on save, and then your remote work preference. So here you can either have a preference of remote, hybrid, or in person. Go ahead and say save. Now you have your job preferences saved, and now when you search for jobs, you will have this take effect on your search results.